come back over here. Hey. Braylon, come back over here. Please watch please excuse the profanity. Who? Okay. Get on from there. Come over here. I told you, come over here. If you don't listen to me, we'll be going inside. It doesn't matter. Oh well, let me start this tape on this camera. Oh well. Let's see if she can. Yep, she did. It's getting dusked on. We got to go inside. Well, we got 3 minutes. Darn it.
Look, this how you do it. Please, y'all go up.
I have no idea how to do that. What? I told you, get your shoes. Get your shoes now. Stop the tape on this camera.